Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me, and we are at the Hoover Dam today. Figured I'd take a nice little short road trip over here today, be a tourist once again, and bring y'all along with me. So this is Hoover Dam. Come along. Alright, so there is the one tower. It says the Nevada time. And in the middle of the road,
You guys could pass.
there is, or there used to be, a line that tells you where it's the Arizona-Nevada split. But this is Hoover Dam. Let me show you. This is the dam itself. Huge. I will try to get a better angle in a few minutes. And then this is the bypass they built. Gosh, it seems not that long ago, but I think it's been longer than that. But here's the dam. Absolutely stunning. But again, the bypass is just unreal. No concept at all how they even managed to construct that. But here is the dam. No tours are available due to social distancing and the pandemic. But you can walk around. They do require face masks. The parking garages are available. Parking is $10 per car, unless if you're disabled and have handicap parking like myself, and then it is complimentary. So that was kind of nice. But let's cross the street. Pedestrians do have the right of way. This is the Spillway House Event Center, and then there are some exhibits in that building. I don't think that's open either. Let's go take a look, guys. It is another gorgeous day here. It's about 70 degrees. Which is gorgeous and unseasonably warm, actually, for this time of year. But hey, while I'm here, I will take it. All right, keep walking. And you see the discoloration on the sediment from the water levels changing. And if you boat, rent a boat, bring a boat, whatever the case may be, from Lake Mead, you can actually go all along the water up until that mark right there. Boats and jet skis and everything else typically travel over here just to check out the view. And then the distance are the other towers, and that one says the Arizona time. And we are going to cross there to get another shot of the dam and the roadway. Appreciate y'all following along. Make sure you're subscribed and you add all notifications so you don't miss any videos. I have been posting a lot lately. Gorgeous. Okay, this is the sign where it says it's one of the wonders, one of the 7 wonders, I should say. And then here's the line where it says Nevada that way, Arizona that way. So cool. Amazing how this is all constructed and the power that it has and the power it provides, I should say. Okay, so we're going to cross back over here. They do have a little cafe and souvenir shop over by the parking garage that's available, as well as restrooms throughout. There is no admission itself to come to Hoover Dam. There's a great shot right there. Again, there's no admission, just the cost to park. There are fees involved if you want to do the tour. You'd have to research that. There is a security checkpoint that you have to drive through, and you do have to stop. You have to roll down all your windows of your vehicle, and you have a police officer on both sides that looks in your car, can pull you over and do a more thorough check, I guess, but they ask you if you have any weapons, guns, anything like that in your vehicle. And after that, I answered no, and I was on my way. So pretty painless, but they are checking. And they do more thorough checks. It appeared on RVs and stuff like that. Just an FYI. But this is gorgeous. The water looks gorgeous. Here's the information. So dam tour currently not available, and the power plan as well. Vision Center admission is $10 to go in the Vision Center. Visitor Center, I should say. And that is that building over there. No, actually, I think the Visitor Center is over by the parking garage. This is just exhibits. I don't know, we've never done any of that kind of stuff here. That looks interesting. All right, so right now where I'm walking, we are literally walking over the dam. You can see part of the dam wall right there. So we're walking on it. I need to walk around to get you guys a good shot of the dam itself. Very touristy attraction. Typically it's a lot busier than this. However, the current situation with the pandemic and stuff is keeping people away from traveling. But it's kind of nice to come now. Less crowds, less traffic. Usually the security checkpoint is backed up quite a bit, and I was able to pull right up. They do have wildlife out here. I haven't seen any yet today, but they do have the bighorn sheep and stuff that we saw at Valley of Fire yesterday. That is in my Valley of Fire video, which was very cool. So you might want to check that video out. Lots of touristy stuff. Which is cool. All these examples of things you can do from Vegas that don't include gambling, drinking, or spending lots of money. So those statues are very cool. We'll get a good shot of those being across from them with the flag. I'm hobbling a little bit today, so unsure how steady my video is, so I do apologize. You're fine, thank you. Alright, so there's that. Alright, we're gonna get a better shot here of the dam in a minute. There's the food and gifts in the distance, and that's the parking garage. And here's some information about Hoover Dam. And of course I'm too short for this wall. Alright, there's a shot of the dam for you. And we'll try this other one.
Marble compass. It depicts the 12 signs of the zodiac and indicates magnetic north from Hoover Dam.
So this is all closed currently.
Plaques on the canyon wall. Continue to the concrete building for more exhibits and information.
So again, here's the dam right here. You can get a great shot of it if you're traveling on that overpass up above, but I guarantee you there's no stopping up there to take a picture. I will take you guys across the street.
Welcome to the Winged Figures of the Republic, which were sculpted by Oscar J.W. Hanson. This work of art was designed to honor the accomplishments of the building genius of America. In the same way the pyramids represent ancient Egypt, the Colosseum represents Rome. At first glance, one is usually drawn to the massive flagpole that proudly displays the American flag and the banner of the Department of the Interior.
I hope you guys can hear the talking.
Feet above the sculpture, you see a golden ball. The ball points to where the center of our sun was on September 30th, 1935, the day President Franklin D. Roosevelt dedicated the dam. On the terrazzo floor you are standing on, embedded are 209 metal discs. Each disc is scaled to the exact diameter for the relative apparent magnitude of all of the stars visible with the naked eye of this exact location at 8:56 p.m. on the dedication date. The timing for creating the celestial chart, according to the artist, was that he believed that someday, somehow, future civilizations would find their way here, and with no other means of communicating, might look upon this monument and determine the exact date on which the engineers and craftsmen of our culture completed it. To assist these future visitors, the sculpture also created a celestial watch, or wheel of time. The yellow arc on the floor is actually a complete circle, showing 26,000 Earth years, or one great year, or a platonic year.
This is the wheel of time that you're looking at now. Very interesting.
Marked on the yellow band are significant historical periods, starting with the completion of the Eastern Pyramids in 2700 BC, when Hoover was the North Star of the ancient Egyptians, the biblical star of Egypt. Next is the star that represents the birth of Christ, starting the Common Era and progressing to the actual
These are all the
day and
stars.
time of dedication, September 30th, 1935.
Shows the galactic equator.
By following the wheel of time around to the back of the monument, you will locate Vega, which has become the North Star thousands of years into the future.
This is the back of the monument, which is what he's referring to. We don't know if that's the star.
The igneous rock that the winged figures of the Republic rest upon is called black diorite. Like all the building materials used in the construction of the dam,
But you do have this.
rock came from one of the
I just took a very cool picture on that, by the way.
It came from a location near Santa Ana, California.
And it has all the horoscopes.
castings are over 30 feet tall, weigh over 4 tons, and were the largest monumental bronzes ever cast in the
There's
United
my
States.
cancer. But it's very cool.
The artist said the building of Hoover Dam belongs to the sagas of the daring. The sculptor, therefore, gave the winged bronzes which
Here's
carved
all
the
the
flag the
plaques.
look of eagles. He also gave them the vital upward thrust of an aspirational gesture to symbolize the readiness for defense of our institutions.
They died to make the
and
desert
keeping our
bloom.
spiritual eagles ever ready to be on the wing.
Nice. It says, in memory of our fellow men who lost their lives in the construction of this dam.
It is prominently featured supporting the shield.
And there is a picture of Dr. Mead.
These stripes represent the 13 original
He was
states,
the commissioner.
with a blue bar uniting the shield and representing Congress. The shield is born
All right, guys, and this is Hoover Dam. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Keep watching. Lots more to come. I appreciate y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye.